Hola amigos, I'm Javier Ortiz, this is Dali. This fall I partnered up with VanCraft Campervans to go on a road trip adventure through Colorado. We visited the Rocky Mountains National Park, Red Rocks, Garden of the Gods, and the Great Sand Dunes National Park. Check out the 5 to 7 day itinerary and vlog up next. Hello fellow travelers. This is a 5 to 7 day Colorado itinerary for your next trip in a fully loaded VanCraft campervan. Whether you're going for a show or not, Red Rocks Park and Amphitheatre is a beautiful place to explore for sunrise and throughout the day. Though you cannot camp at Red Rocks, with just a 15-minute drive away, you can camp at Bear Creek Lake Campground. Here you can set up comfortably to watch the sunrise or sunset, make use of their hot showers, and relax a bit before hitting the road again. Drive just an hour and a half south and you'll reach the Mesa Overlook for a vantage viewpoint of the Garden of the Gods, and can also stop to cook up some breakfast or lunch before heading down to Juniper Loop for a drive-by or walking tour of the Central Gardens. You can continue on to explore the rest of the park, or take a 3-hour drive down to the Great Sand Dunes National Park, a truly unique and mesmerizing place to visit for another great sunset and sunrise if you camp overnight in the parking lot. From there, you can start your 5 to 6 hour journey up to the Rockies, but make sure to stop in Estes Park for gas before entering the Rocky Mountain National Park. If you haven't secured a campground at the park yet, try some of the surrounding campgrounds like Estes Park Campground at Mary's Lake, Spruce Lake RV Park, or Meadow Run Lodge. Though Marine Park Campground is easily the best campground in the whole park, as it is located in front of a large meadow full of elk almost all year round. But make sure not to approach any elk, as they can be quickly agitated and charge to any visitor trying to get the perfect photo. If you have permits for the Southern Bear Lake corridor, you can start hiking at Bear Lake and head towards Nymph Lake and Emerald Lake, or towards Alberta Falls all the way up to Sky Pond and the Sharktooth Mountain peaks. After a full day of hiking, you can relax back at your campground until morning and get ready for one of the most scenic routes in the continental United States, Trail Ridge Road. This 40-mile long highway climbs up to over 12,000 feet in the Alpine Tundra. Be sure to stop at some of the many roadside overlooks before reaching the Alpine Visitor Center, where you can take in a panoramic view of the Rocky Mountain National Park surrounding you. On your way out of the park, you can visit Grand Lake Village and camp nearby at Stillwater Campground or Sunset Point Campground. Either way you want to take through the Rockies, your VanCraft campervan will be with you every step of the way. Good luck on your next campervan adventure through Colorado with VanCraft. Hello friends, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you want to check out an extended cinematic drone film with more footage from the trip, just click on the video right here. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more cinematic adventure content. Ciao for now. Alright, let's go.